So in this tutorial, I'm gonna use an acrylic medium 4 yarn and a 5.5mm hook. I'm gonna start with a magic circle and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the third chain from the hook, I'm gonna make my first bubble. So yarn over, insert my hook on the third chain, pull through 2, stop. Again yarn over, insert my hook in the same chain and work what I did before. It's a half double crochet, so I've got 3 loops on my hook. I must obtain 6 loops on my hook, so I will repeat again. Four loops, five loops, 6 loops. So I must do 5 incomplete double crochet to obtain 6 loops on my hook, and then pull through all to make my first bubble. The bubble will be on the other side, and in the last stitch 1 single crochet to close the bubble. Okay. And this is my first bubble of the triangle worked. So now I'm gonna chain 1. Now in the first stitch as chain 1, it might be not clear, but here it is. I'm gonna make 1 single crochet. On top of the bubble I will have 1 stitch. So in the chain 1 I'm gonna make 2 single crochet. So in the first stitch 2 single crochet, and on top of the bubble you'll find the last stitch on top, 2 single crochet again. This is the base for my next bubble stitches. So 2 single crochet. Okay, this is how it is. Chain 1, 1 bubble, same way we work the first one. 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, all in the same stitch, 3, 4, 5. So I have again 6 loops on my hook, pull through all and single crochet in the next stitch. Now I've got 2 more over here. I'm gonna work another bubble and a single crochet. So yarn over, half double crochet and repeat, total of 5 times. Okay, here the bubble and single crochet at the end. Now we see how the increase is. chain 1, one single crochet in the first stitch, one single crochet in the bubble, one single crochet in the next stitch, and 2 single crochet in the last bubble, 1 and 2, chain 1. Again we'll start with a bubble, single crochet in the next stitch, next bubble, bubble in the last stitch. And this time we're gonna make one single crochet in the same stitch as the bubble to close it, like this. See how it's increasing? Now chain 1. So depending on the number of the single crochet of each row, I'm gonna decide the number of my bubbles. So I have to increase the single crochet row every time to increase the number of bubbles. So here I got 3. Now I have to have 4. So I chain 1. I need to make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. Eight single crochet total for 4 bubbles later on. Chain 1. We'll start with a bubble. So again here I made 2 single crochet in the beginning work and 2 single crochet in the last work for the increase again. So I've got 10 single crochet. One and a half stitches, but what I'm gonna do, like the stitch is very small, what I'm gonna do, 1 bubble and slip stitch in the last stitch. So. And in this last stitch, oops, it's a bit tight. A slip stitch. So, so this is basically how you work a triangle. I'm gonna go with the next few rows and I'll show you the final result of the bubble stitch triangle. So this is basically the triangle progress. You continue doing the same till you obtain the width or the length you want of your triangle. So to recap, what you need to retain is for every row when you start, you do 2 single crochet in the beginning stitch and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. This is when you crochet the single crochet row. So when you crochet the bubbles, no increase, only the increase when you do the single crochet row, because that's the base of the bubbles. Once you start working the bubble, the last bubble will be a slip stitch in the last stitch. So bubble and slip stitch at the end. Beginning is chain 1 and a bubble in the same chain 1. So that's how it will be worked. If you have any questions or you think something is not clear, leave your question in the comment section. And this is basically how you do it. I hope it is simple I explained it clearly for you. And I hope you'll try it. It's very pretty. I mean, like, you know by now that I love bubbles. I don't know, the bubble stitch is really nice, especially if you want to do a nice project. It just takes time once it gets bigger, but it's very pretty to look at all the time, whether it's a triangle, circle, square. It's very pretty, especially when they are like, you know, they're not on top of the other, they're complementing each other. It's very pretty. Anyway, until next time, take care. Bye bye.